Hi and welcome to another quick video. Here we have the Spigen SteadiBoost Flex Wireless Charger. Apparently this is meant to be really superb for Pixel 5 charging. I've got a Pixel 5 right here, so I thought let's get it out of the box, have a look at it, see what it's like, do some electrical tests and see if it's worth the money. So this is the SteadiBoost box. Included is the quick charger, AC adapter and a Type-C cable along with the SteadiBooster. So let's unbox it now. Not the best unboxing experience, but you know, doesn't matter. USB-C cable, loads of stuff, lots of plastic to help the environment out, which isn't very great. And there's the quick charger itself. Apparently you can raise this up. First impressions, it actually feels pretty good. It's a nice smooth rubber material. It's got a little bit of a weight to it. Yeah, I'm quite impressed with that. Yeah, it looks great. And here we have the AC charger, which is USB Type A output. Charger looks fine, you know, it's a charger, but let's see how we get on. So now let's get all this connected and do an electrical test. So we'll do a quick test with the USB Type A electrical meter, which works over USB. Plug goes to USB Type A meter, which goes to the cable, and then that goes to the wireless charger, so we can see what kind of watts we can pull. This is a Pixel 5 with a case on. It's charging, and we're currently getting 1.3 amps, which is in fact probably about 15 watts. So straight off we are getting the maximum rated charge, which is very impressive. I've not even put it out of the case, I've not even twiddled it around, and as you can see, put it directly on and starts charging, which is fantastic. Creeps up, gets to the maximum charge. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. And as you can see, we have a charging rapidly status, which is fantastic. It does exactly what it says on the tin. It's a very affordable product. It feels very premium for the price. I mean, I was quite surprised with the price. I'll put the price, prices change all the time, so use the link in the description, which is my affiliate link, which helps me out. But yes, I mean, that's in flat mode, so now you can actually adjust it so it goes like this. And you can raise it up. Looks like it's got two positions, either raised or flat, which is great. USB-C, which is great. Yeah, I wasn't expecting much, but this is a really great charger. So see, we'll put it in that mode. First it charges slowly, and then that should move to charging rapidly, and then charging. And there we go, we have charging rapidly now, which is fantastic. So yes, this has been a quick overview of this SteadiBoost Flex Wireless Charger by Spigen. It should be available in your country. It feels great, feels premium. For the price, I would actually probably pay 50% to 70% more for this product. Like I say, it charges at the full rate for my Pixel charger. And compare this to the Anker products, which this is an Anker wireless charger on a pedestal. This doesn't say it's compatible, in all fairness to Anker, so this only charges at 5 watts, while this charges at 15 watts, so much faster. So yeah, thanks for watching. There's going to be an affiliate link in the description, so you can check out the latest prices for your country. Please use that, it really helps the channel out. Thanks for watching. Ask any questions about this product in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.